Uh,
डायरेक्टली से अस्सलाम वालेकुम वंस अगेन.
Walaikum assalam.
Okay beta, now my voice is clear.
Yes, miss, very clear.
Okay beta. Okay beta, without wasting our time we are going to start our activity like dates and events. Is it clear? So first of all, I'm going to ask you some important dates, but it doesn't mean that these dates are coming in the exam. Might be possible these are there, might be possible these dates are just for your revision. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Okay, let's start writing these dates. Is it clear? So first of all, you have to write down on your loose sheet 11th century. Write down 11th century, turn on your cameras, and after that, I'm going to ask with you, raise your hands, and I'm going to ask you the meaning, the exact event of this specific date. Is it clear? Okay. हरी अब बेटा. 11th century. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा तो इट्स ओके. वी विल मैं आपको बता दूंगी. वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दीज डेट्स, बट डोंट ओपन द बुक. Guess what is the date? Guess the relevant event of this specific date. 11th century. This date is from the chapter History of Provinces of Pakistan. But
Thank you.
I am telling you. Yes बेटा, बताइए.
Is the Hindu Raja ruled over Punjab until 11th century?
Punjab was ruled by Hindu Rajas. Okay. Okay, anyone else? In 11th century, what was the most important event at that time? Anyone else? Wait a minute, Shairoz, beta. I'm going to tell you the exact answer. Yes. Yes, you are right. And, Punjab was ruled by Hindu Rajas. Write down the exact answer. Write down the exact answer. And when I will give you tomorrow, when I will upload the mock, then I will give you the column matching. Is it clear? And column matching are related to your dates and important dates and events and important personalities. Guess the personalities.
कब मिलेगा?
बेटा कल है आपका.
नहीं, सिलेबस कब आएगा? कल डिस्कस.
I will upload the syllabus almost till 2 PM. ठीक है, 2 बजे दोपहर तक मैं आपका अपलोड कर दूंगी. ठीक है. Okay, write down the correct answer बेटा. All of you write down the correct answer. Done?
Yes, miss.
Have you done? Yes.
Miss done.
मिस आपकी आवाज फिर से नहीं आ रही।
आप जिस साइड से बात करेंगे वो शो नहीं हो रही। हमें साइड डिसेबल करेंगे।
मिस आवाज नहीं आ रही।
मिस आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपकी। सरोज यार आवाज आ रही है। सरोज।
Hello. Hello. Beta, can you hear me? Please reply me in the chat box. Tell me, am I audible to you? Okay. Is my voice clear? All right. Please now concentrate here.
Okay, beta, turn on your cameras. Beta, I think 10 o'clock I will upload the time and date. Beta, hurry up, turn on your cameras and show me. I want to tell you some important dates, but these are the trial basis dates. These are not the confirmed dates that you may think that these dates are coming in your exams. So next one is show me your copy Muhammad Ali and Sheroz. We are going to extend the time of our class 10 to 15 minutes. So show me your copies, beta. Okay. Where is Shahroz? Ula, Fatma, Shahroz, Sumaya, Asia. Turn on your
I have
camera.
joined the class.
Okay, beta. Shahroz, turn on your camera. Turn on your camera. So next date is 7th century. Next date is 7th century. Okay. Hania, tell me
Miss
the answer.
Brahmin dynasty came
वेरी
into power in
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। और बेटा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वहाँ पर आपको पूरा ये सेंटेंस आए, सिर्फ ऐसे भी आ सकता है कि ब्राह्मण डायनेस्टी एंड 7th सेंचुरी। इज इट क्लियर? वेल डन। सो राइट डाउन द आंसर ऑफ
Excuse me,
7th।
miss.
यस।
Walk का time हो गया है.
Beta, just a minute, wait a minute. We have more 10 minutes because we have started our class late. That's why there is 10 minutes time. So wait a minute. And
Miss मेरे पास नाम आ चुका है.
okay, beta. 7th century Brahmins dynasty. Next one is 2100 BC. 2100 BC. Hurry up, beta. Give me the answers, and then we have to sum up our class. So give me your answers. Yes, Muhammad Ali. 2100 BC. Yes.
Miss
21.
Balochistan tribes start
Two, two.
migrating to
Very good. Okay.
towards the east.
Okay, 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 beta. I think your mock will be started exactly. आपका आज कोई mock है अभी 12:30 बजे? Tell me, beta. Okay, 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 beta. You can take the screenshots of these dates, important dates, and solve them. I will ask you the answer of these dates in the next class, inshallah. And you can, but don't write any type of the question on the mainstream or on the Google Classroom. If you have any query, you can ask me in the next class. Is it clear? Or take care. Allah Hafiz. You can see these dates after your mock in the classroom. I will upload this lecture on the Google Classroom. Take care. Allah Hafiz.